It's another year of celebrating Nigeria, and as always at Abound, the Independence Day isn't just about celebration, it's the call for the love of our nation. 2021 burst for the love of our nation. In 2022, our focus was on agricultural uniqueness of our nation, highlighting the Nigeria's agricultural potential as the backbone of our economy. Grow for Change was last year's theme, where we encourage growth and innovation in the agricultural sector to create a better future. And that brings us to this year's theme, Grow Your Own Food. We'll be sensitizing Nigerians to take control of their food security through homegrown agriculture, nurturing both land and their future. Imagine a Nigeria where every household grows their own food. This will enable us to achieve food sufficiency and security, stronger local economy, and independence from external sources. This Independence Day, let's plant a seed of self-sufficient future. Grow your own food. Grow for Naija. Happy Independence Day.